I was looking at the table here, and here is a, I don't know what it is, with region 2, Dr. Guy, Dr. Ferguson, Dr. Bloomfield, and now we have Dr. Alex. But I tell you, if your heart start hurting, don't come to me, but to one of them. We'll talk about, unless it's a hurt about the economy. But we can talk about that later. But seriously, you have heard Shane Alexis. He's also dedicated to service. And I have every expectation that he will give good, dedicated, courageous service to the people of Southeast Central. Comrades, we already know, because we have seen it, that those who oppose us politically are people that come to the table with a whole bag of promise. Promise this, promise that. When them get it, it's like a dishonorable man. I try to talk to a woman. Promise the world, but you can't find him. Where did he live? You know that kind of man there? Sanctified man. We also know because we have seen it, that they have a way where they take the taxpayers' money and use it like it belongs to their party to buy votes. I am not saying that it is going to happen that way, but it happened before. Whatever they promise, whatever they give, remember, it belongs to the people of Jamaica, taxpayers' resources. So I don't want to make any voter feel bad to take the benefit. What you have to tell them is that the real decision is on election day, and they mustn't get confused by false promises.